This is video, madam.
Oh, really? Hey, hello. Hi. So, we're on museum.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like Tagaytay or Baguio. So we're going down, so you can see the fine tree. And this is mini hotel. The mini hotel. So, wow, it's so nice here. It's cloudy day, so it's relaxation day. It's Sunday today. So we went here with my bodyguard. So bodyguard, what can you say?
It's a beautiful space.
Wow,
And then they have horse
ganda.
there
Horse.
if you want to ride a
Maybe later,
horse.
no? So in Tennessee, it looks like Tennessee, ano,
And then they have ano, I think biking in a zip line
so it's zip line.
there. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So it looks like Tennessee,
I
like
see.
US.
I agree with that.
So there are a lot of activities here that you can do, like horseback riding, this one. Wow, this is nice. Then
Mm-mm.
you could take a ride there if you like to ride there.
Mm-mm.
Uh-huh. And if you like to stay here, cabin. Cabin?
Cabin.
Cabin. Oh,
Oo.
this is so nice, no?
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Ayan o, ayan yung ano.
Looks like Tennessee. So I miss Tennessee.
Wala na dyan, madam.
So
Same,
no
same.
more. So
Oh,
that's it. So
just same
just come here and visit
view.
Philippines. Hello.
We will be going there.
Yeah, there. How much?
Only 50 pesos per
50
each.
pesos, so $1. Because I already, $1 is equivalent to 55 pesos or let's say 54 pesos. So we're going to go there. Wow, this is nice. I thought it's only small, but if you're going to explore, so nice. No? So share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. It's a pine tree. Huh?